Welcome back to Xplorer. Today, we're diving into Oppo's latest masterpiece, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. Oppo has been taking strides with each Reno release, bringing advanced features to a premium build, all while keeping affordability in mind. The Reno 13 Pro is packed with innovations in display, camera, and performance. Stick around to see if this model is a perfect fit for you. Starting with the design, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is a sleek and stylish phone crafted with Oppo's signature aesthetic. The body is made of high-quality glass with a polished aluminum frame that not only feels premium in hand but also looks stunning. The Reno 13 Pro comes in three stunning colors: Aurora Blue, Midnight Black, and Crystal White. With a slim profile of just 7.6 millimeters and a light weight of 183 grams, it's designed to be comfortable and elegant, no matter the occasion. Now let's talk display. Oppo has equipped the Reno 13 Pro with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that offers immersive, vivid visuals with a resolution of 2412x1080 pixels. This display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate for smooth, responsive interactions. The colors are rich, and with HDR10 Plus support, watching videos on streaming platforms is a delight. Plus, the display can reach up to 1100 nits of peak brightness, meaning outdoor visibility is fantastic, even under direct sunlight. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro packs the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor, built on a 4nm architecture. This chip delivers impressive performance, allowing the phone to handle everything from multitasking to high-end gaming smoothly. This model is available in two configurations: 8GB RAM with 256GB storage and 12GB RAM with 512GB storage. It also features Oppo's RAM expansion technology, allowing up to an additional 8GB of virtual RAM for even more fluid multitasking. Gaming on the Reno 13 Pro is a pleasure. The ARM Immortali's G715 GPU works in tandem with the high refresh rate display, allowing you to play games like PUBG and Genshin Impact at high settings with minimal lag. The 240 Hz touch sampling rate ensures every swipe and tap registers instantly. With Oppo's HyperBoost gaming engine, the device manages system resources efficiently to provide a stable gaming experience without overheating. It's optimized for gamers looking for speed and reliability in a sleek package. Let's move on to the camera, one of Oppo's strengths. The Reno 13 Pro features a triple camera setup with a 50MP Sony IMX890 main sensor, an 8MP ultrawide sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. The main sensor captures incredibly detailed and vibrant images. In low light, the Reno 13 Pro uses AI-enhanced night mode to brighten photos without adding noise, keeping details sharp and colors balanced. The ultrawide lens offers a 120-degree field of view, perfect for landscapes and group photos. And for those close-up shots, the macro lens lets you get within 4 centimeters of your subject, capturing details you wouldn't see otherwise. The Reno 13 Pro is powered by a 4800 mAh battery that will comfortably last a full day with moderate use. And when it's time to recharge, Oppo's 80W Super VOC charging can get you from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. This means you won't have to worry about long charging times. And for added battery longevity, the device features battery health engine technology, which preserves battery capacity over time, even with frequent fast charging. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro runs on ColorOS 13.1 based on Android 13, bringing intuitive features and fluid animations. With AI-enhanced smart sidebar, multitasking is easy. You can open apps in floating windows, take notes, or access tools quickly and efficiently. In terms of security, you have an in-display fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. Both are fast and reliable, allowing you to secure your device with ease. For audio, the Reno 13 Pro features dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound whether you're watching movies or listening to music. The sound is clear, and with Dolby Atmos, you'll feel a richer, more layered audio experience. In terms of connectivity, this phone supports 5G Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, so you're covered with fast internet, stable connections, and convenient contactless payments. Oppo has priced the Reno 13 Pro competitively in the premium mid-range category. Considering the features it offers, it's a strong competitor against other brands like Samsung and Xiaomi in this segment. The phone is available now in select markets, with global availability rolling out soon. If you're looking for a well-rounded device with a premium design, powerful performance, and a feature-packed camera, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro could be the perfect choice for you. So, is the Oppo Reno 13 Pro worth it? For those who value a blend of premium design, powerful performance, and versatile camera capabilities, this device is an excellent choice. Oppo has truly crafted a well-rounded phone with the Reno 13 Pro, and it shows. Let us know what you think of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.